Hello humans, welcome back to yet another video. For all of the new faces here, let me introduce you to myself. I am Akshi, the owner of this channel. So yeah, welcome. So today we are going to be diving straight into the spirit of the holidays, into the heart of the holidays. Yes, Christmas. I'm so excited for this video. We're going to be doing so many fun things such as baking cookies for the iconic Santa, writing letters for him, and so many more fun things, so please stay tuned. So yeah, without any further ado, let's keep going. Also, for all of you wondering, no, I am not Christian. I am Hindu, but I love to celebrate Christmas still. We celebrate all the festivals, almost all of the festivals. We have been celebrating Christmas since I was a kid, so it's been a really thing. It's been a very big thing for me. I love celebrating Christmas. I just love the feeling of it. So yeah, just starting off, we are going to be writing letters to the Santa. So yeah, let's go ahead. Here I have the supplies. I have two papers with me, one to make the letter with and the other to write the letter on, and I have a glue stick here. I am sitting on the bed right now. This is the bed table. I'm doing it on the bed table, and my sister is on the study table. She's going to be making the letter on the study table. And our envelope is ready. So my envelope is ready, and my sister has not even started making the envelope. She's taking inspiration from Pinterest, isn't she? While I'm just doing my own thing, which is not going to be very aesthetic, but I think Santa will like it. Now, before writing the letter, I think I'm going to decorate my envelope here a little bit because it looks kind of bland. Is done, and tomorrow I'm going to be showing you guys our Christmas tree, and we're also going to be making cookies for the Santa. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for tomorrow because tomorrow is Christmas Eve.
It smells like caramel.
What are we doing right now?
We're browning the butter and it smells like caramel. White sugar, cashew sugar, and my grandmother is behind. Nani, hello, boldo. Hello. Thank you. Adding half cup brown sugar.
Guys, while she is mixing this, I'm going to show someone. I have my mother with me. Hello. As you can see, Roxy is a big baby now. She's almost 4 months old, and I cannot even believe it. Roxy is definitely gonna be on the naughty list.
Now we're going to add the mayo.
Santa really hota?
Oh my god, idiot.
Guys,
अरे यार अक्षय.
Guys, Santa real hota hai फिर नहीं होता?
Guys, this is the batter.
Now
Till now, it's in progress.
मैं अंडा लग रही हूँ.
इस वाली रेसिपी में शाबाश ये जो गिरा है ना.
Brother, shut up.
Guys, the artist. Guys, aesthetic shot हो गया है.
मैंने ऐड कर दिया. This chocolate is very pointy, by the way. Brother, you don't know.
क्या?
Don't like that. It's so pointy.
बहुत कम है. Now we're going to spray the oil on this butter sheet, which is actually butter sheet. Good, that's good. And there you go. Guys, our dough is ready. And to keep our letters under the tree. And yeah, let me show you guys the tree. So guys, now we're adding the cookies in. So today is finally Christmas and I'm very happy. Merry Christmas to everyone watching this. So we sadly didn't get any gifts for Christmas, but it's totally fine as our Santas, which means our mom and dads, were a little busy. They were out of town and they were a little busy. That's why they didn't give us any gifts, but I am totally okay with it. Yeah.